While charter flights arriving in the state of Goa have given a kickstart to its tourism season, fears have been erupting over loss of massive revenue against the backdrop of notice to airmen issued by the Navy. However, Minister Movin Gudino said that naval authorities would issue a fresh order to consider a request made by TTAG to relax NOTAM and allow landing of a British charter flight that had been arriving in Goa for last many years. Unfortunately, as stated by Gudino, the flight would have to be cancelled as the NOTAM issued by the Navy on account of maintenance of the runway of Dabolim Airport clashes with the slot of the British charter flight. While talking to media, TTAG President Xavier Messias said cancellation of this British charter flight would result in a loss of over rupees 10 crores in GST alone.
As you know, Navy had put restrictions on Saturday from morning 8:30 to 12:30. NOTAM was issued, wherein British charter TUI, which I think is very important for the survival of charters and tourism itself in Goa. They were worried that they will have to cancel this flight. They have just informed me that an order will be issued to the satisfaction of TTAG by Monday, that is tomorrow, and this problem will be resolved, whereby this charter will be able to land. We don't want to lose foreign tourists, and particularly the Brits, because they have been coming for long. Rather, we should try to get more such charters coming from other countries and not lose what we are already having. After the collapse of Thomas Cook, everyone is well aware how it has impacted tourism in Goa, and more particularly tourists coming from Britain. So now that Navy has been very accommodated, I am very grateful to them for having accommodated a civilian demand of allowing the charters to come and ply, and something that is very much necessary for the Goan economy, and in these trying times when mining has stopped. I think they should be congratulated for heeding to our demands.
See, we have been after the government authorities from 1st of August to ensure that this slot is granted to TUI. We have put in a lot of efforts. We have been contacting Mr. Shripad Naik, Chief Minister, Movin Gudino, and all other authorities. Now we have been promised that the order would be released today. We are quite confident because we even met Mr. Shripad Naik yesterday before he left for Delhi, and he assured us that the order would be released today, since Saturday and Sunday were holiday, and we are quite confident he will stick to his word and promises.
What was the issue about the NOTAM?
The issue of the NOTAM was earlier the runway was supposed to be closed from 6:30 to 12:30. That was decided at the first meeting. All of a sudden, it was reduced to 7:30 to 12:30. Now, which meant that the TUI flight was unable to land, but some domestic flights were accommodated. So our contention is that make it a little earlier. Why? It could be 6:30 to 11:30. That's fine, because domestic flights have an option of finding other slots, but it becomes very difficult with international flights. So this was our request that accommodate this TUI, and if a decision has to be taken to introduce new NOTAM timings, this should have been done much earlier, at least 6 months earlier.
Flight it is supposed to come.
This flight, we were just doing a calculation of what would be the loss to the government. It works out, if this one flight was cancelled throughout the season, the government would stand to lose nearly 10 crores in GST. Because this was an upmarket flight, getting in good customers who had the spending powers, and we would lose heavily. Besides, when I say 10 crores in GST, it would mean only the GST paid by the hotel. But then there's also GST earnings on money being spent by the guest in purchasing things, in fuel, and so many other things. Only the hotel GST and excursion GST was working to about 10 crores.
How long has this flight been coming now?
This flight has been coming for many years. And besides, we also, Thomson said that if this flight is given landing permission, they would also introduce a fourth flight, which we have been breaking our heads to try and get more flights from UK. And I think TUI and Thomson deserve the support from the government because they would bring in now an additional flight, which will help the business community.